it totally it doesn't matter whether Charlene is my co-star or not. I feel like when you have a sister, say, is also when I feel that the boy in the house is also like a lot more aware of.
वेलकम एवरीबॉडी टू टेली चक्कर। आज मेरे साथ जो गेस्ट है उन्हें किसी तरह के इंट्रोडक्शन की ज़रूरत नहीं है और ये मेरा सौभाग्य है कि शी डिसाइडेड टू कम ऑन अ लंच डेट विद मी। मुझे पता नहीं कि मैंने ज़िंदगी में कौन सा अच्छा काम किया कि आज मैं इनके साथ एक लंच डेट पे आया हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच निम्रत फॉर अग्रीइंग टू डू दिस। I've never been on a date. I've never been on a date with somebody so beautiful ever.
Oh, that's so kind of you. Thank you for taking out the time.
The pleasure is all mine. You have been a Choti Sardani, you have been a Khatarnak Khiladi, and you have bossed a Big Boss house. So that's why I said you don't need any more introduction
That's
than
very,
that.
very kind of you. Thank you.
खतरो is basically उसका जो format है,
Right.
एक stunt based show है।
जी.
और हमने देखा कि आपने इतने सारे कई सारे स्टंट्स किए, लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ेदार आपको क्या लगा और सबसे ज़्यादा नर्वस कब हुई थी आप कौन से स्टंट में?
I think in terms of Mazedar, I think it has to be the train stunt because before they even told us कि कौन वो stunt करने जाएगा, तब जब हम set पे पहुंचे थे, I remember मैंने शुमोना को बहुत clearly बोला था, I said कि wow, I would really love to do this stunt, you know, just for the experience of it, and as luck could have it, I did that stunt. And Khatarnak, if I have to say, I think for me, there was this one stunt in which we had to climb on a pipe and then get on a platform. It was on the 26th floor. So to be on such a high rise, and I'm very scared of heights.
Acha, you have that
I do
phobia.
have that,
Okay.
yeah. So for me, like when I started, my first stunt was we were I think on a 4th floor building. So from that, to see myself complete the task and do well, you know, by the end of the journey, it was very fulfilling.
Yeah.
So usme to I was like, shit, like I'm gone today, you know, that was the emotion. And also underwater stunts, I have to say, when I started my journey, I remember Teams Week was when we had our first underwater stunt, and when I experienced that, like I'm not very good underwater and I don't even know the right technique to keep your body, you know, and take it like say 9 feet.
So you have not been, you know, swimming.
Like I've been a swimmer, but I haven't been like a pro swimmer. You know what I mean? I can swim enough to save my life. I can swim enough to be on a holiday and lounge.
Recreational swimming.
Yeah, but not like the nitty gritties of it. So when I went into that stunt and cut to the last stunt that I performed, I was just very happy of the overall journey in terms of the growth that I saw within myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
When it comes to the train stunt, I must say, was the part of the, you know, the fun of it, because हमने अपनी बॉलीवुड फिल्मों में इतने सारे ट्रेन वाले, चाहे वो शोले हो, धूम 2 हो, तो और हम सबके अंदर वो बॉलीवुड की कीड़ा है, तो वो भी आ गया था, आया होगा ना दिमाग में।
वो ही था ना कि यार कितना डायनामिक स्टंट है, कितना कूल होगा, यू नो, ये मौका कभी नहीं मिलेगा कि यू नो गोना बी ऑन अ रनिंग ट्रेन एंड यू गेट टू डू समथिंग लाइक दैट। तो जस्ट द फीलिंग ऑफ इट वाज वेरी लाइक कि हाँ मजा आएगा इसमें।
अच्छा, नाउ टेल अस अबाउट हमारे प्रिय डायरेक्टर, ब्लॉकबस्टर डायरेक्टर, लेकिन यहाँ पे वो अपने डायरेक्टर का हैट को बाजू में रख के एक मेंटोर का हैट वो लोग वो पहन लेते हैं, रोहित शेट्टी साहब। व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मेंटोर ही इज? पहली मुलाकात कैसे हुई? क्या थोड़ा सा यू नो डर लगा होगा, आई एम मीटिंग दी रोहित शेट्टी, कि क्या यू ऑल हिट इट ऑफ इमीडिएटली? क्या था? हाउ डिड इट हैपन?
I have to say this, I think he's the most grounded and the most humble person I've met who is at the stature that he is in life. I think I really respect him a lot. Even I did respect him before I met him, but I think when I met him I started to respect him way more. He's a very nice human being. He really sees honesty in people. If you're a hard worker, if you're an honest person, if you're a committed person, I think these are all the qualities that he appreciates, because शायद उनमें भी वो ये सारी qualities हैं, इसीलिए वो आज है जहाँ वो है, right? आई थिंक उनको सेल्फ मेड लोग बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि वो खुद भी वैसे ही हैं. And I think I was lucky to have learned whatever I did from him in the stage and in this stage of my career, because usually I feel like it's very easy to take things upon your ego. It is very easy to be arrogant, but for someone like him to be that calm, that sorted, not take his success so seriously, I think it is beautiful.
I think that's why he has been so successful.
Yeah,
and that's why all the actors, they literally bend over backward कि
Yeah.
हमें रोहित शेट्टी के साथ
Yeah,
काम करना
yeah.
है. Speaking about रोहित शेट्टी के साथ काम करना है,
मैंने काम कर लिया.
नहीं, लेकिन आपको पता है मेरा सवाल कहाँ पे
जी.
जा रहा है. उनके कुछ बात छुई, कुछ फीलर्स आए कि भाई रोहित शेट्टी के आने वाले कोई फिल्म में अगर निमृत को हमें देखने मिले.
I'll tell you, I'm never a person who oversteps. Okay, so I will, from my own side also, never ever give that kind of feelers that, hey sir, please. No, I would never do
उनके
that.
तरफ से
And I think the beauty of our relationship also is that he's extremely professional, and I love that. I think if something is meant in your destiny, it will happen eventually. If he ever thinks of me, if he ever feels that I have what it takes to be a part of his project, I'm sure that he won't think twice, right? And all I can do is to perhaps just grow and be at a position in my career where finally I could be a potential option for him to cast. I feel like I'm very, very fresh in my career. I know the kind of films that he makes are they're extremely big budgeted movies.
Yeah.
And such, if I have to be honest, I feel like if it has to happen for you, it will organically happen for you. I don't feel like trying to send any kind of feelers is the right approach. Like, I think always the right approach is that if some casting is happening, you should go audition for it and then go down that route.
Since निमृत is so professional, आज इस इंटरव्यू के दौरान मैं फीलर देना चाहता हूँ वहाँ पे जितने भी दर्शक हैं, और अगर रोहित शेट्टी तक ये बात पहुँचेगी, प्लीज़ इनको कास्ट कीजिए, क्योंकि उसके बाद जो धूम मचेगी ना ऑनलाइन, फिर उसके बाद धूम 4 बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Okay, now speaking about other people, Shalin, okay, and you all had a lot of on and off in Big Boss,
Yeah.
then again in Khatro.
Yeah.
What was the difference between your equation with Shalin in Big Boss to your equation with Shalin in Khatro, and now how it is?
I think the equation is different in the sense that when you're in Big Boss, you are trying to project something. You're constantly trying to project an image. And so your differences of opinion come in the way of friendships.
Okay.
Which potentially could have happened or not happened off camera. I think Khatro is when we got an opportunity to interact, not on camera, but actually build an equation off camera. And again, it could have gone both ways, right? Maybe we would have realized that we don't vibe after all, but we actually did vibe. And I think more than that, what came into play is that when you experience something, like I feel like everyone who is a part of Big Boss in my particular season, what we as 16 contestants went through is something that only we can relate to deeply. Not our families, not the media, not the people who are watching the show, no one. But all 6 of us will always have that soft corner or bond for each other, irrespective of what the equation may have been inside the house. And I think it stemmed from there, but more so because nobody was forced to interact here. For a show like Big Boss, you're compelled to interact with each other,
Yes,
even if you want to or you don't want to. On a show
Unavoidable
like- yeah, on a show like Khatro, it's a personal choice. Like, you can just do your shoot and maybe choose not to interact.
Yeah.
So I think that's where we found our friendship.
If an opportunity comes to do a show, a TV show, not a reality show,
Yeah.
with Shalin opposite you as a co-star, you'd go for it?
First, my question is, like, I don't even know if it doesn't matter whether Shalin is my co-star or not. For me, what
Script.
matters is the script. Yeah.
Speaking about the rest of the people in your Khatro Ke Khiladi, Krishna Shroff, you hit it off
Yeah.
it very well.
Yeah.
after the show ended, after you all went pack up and all, the show is gone. Now how you all staying in touch?
Yeah,
You're like
we stay
gelling
in
together,
touch.
catching up.
Yeah, we visit each other's homes. We have our little get-togethers, which are not on social media, but we do meet and chit-chat. Yeah.
How did the bond happen? How did you out of all the people over there, what was it about Krishna that you hit it off so well with her?
I'll tell you one thing, and I have to add, the other girls also, like Shumona, Aditi. So, with age, I think I've realized how important girl friendships are. I say that because when I was in hostel for 5 years, I made the best girl friendships. So it's an automatic incline because you really, I feel like solid women in life are your like potential backbones. With Krishna, I think she's someone who is extremely easy. She's a very fun person. She's very much herself. And I think that's how we connected. I think we genuinely just vibe. I can be unfiltered. There is no judgment, and I think that's very important when you build friendships. That there should be no ulterior motive. There should be no judgment. It should feel like a safe space, and it's hard to find that. As in when you grow older, right? Like I am sure most of your friends also may be people that you know from before, but as in when at least with me, the friendship that I had during my 20s, my early 20s are still the friendships that I have. All my
I find it
friendships
very
from school.
difficult making new friends.
Exactly,
Yeah.
right? So I think with her, it was one of those situations where I felt instantly connected. Instantly, as in actually not instantly connected, it was mid-season is when we bonded the most. Apart from Krishna, my relationship with Shumona is also fantastic. We still call each other, we still meet. And yeah, even with Aditi, I think Aditi is such a nice soul. So I'm just happy to have some new friendships that I can, take back from the show.
I must completely agree with you when it comes to female friends. As a guy,
Yeah.
I only have female friends.
Yeah.
I have just one male friend because let me tell you this, it's so much more comfortable. You all are such better listeners.
Yeah.
You all are such more hygienic. And it's so much better to talk to. And I honestly feel, even for guys, if you're surrounded by a lot of female friends now, you become a better guy.
I that could be, like
Yeah.
I feel like when you have a sister, say, is also when I feel that the boy in the house is also like a lot more aware of, maybe a lot more empathetic, if I may, or a lot more considerate of other people's feelings. I feel that.
It's very important. Y'all are the backbone to making society better. Honestly,
That's so sweet.
we men could learn a lot from y'all. Definitely.
Hey, man, are you listening?
Yeah, I hope they are. And I keep telling the men around me this also. And then they say party बदल रही है. ऐसा कोई party नहीं है यार. ये party ये लोग ही चला रहे हैं. हम यहाँ पे guest हैं. Okay, speaking about okay, now coming to Abhishek. There's a lot of there's quite a lot of takkar and all.
Yeah.
क्या हुआ था अभिषेक के साथ कि इतने बार अलग-अलग टास्क में अलग-अलग इवन before the task, after the task, इतना ज़्यादा friction क्यों हो रहा था?
I think friction is bound to happen when there is a difference of opinion, but that doesn't mean that oh my god he hates me or oh my god I hate him, and I think friction also occurs between people who are opinionated themselves. I think that's very normal in any equation. That's
So
what I think.
what's the equation now after the show is over? Did he reach out to you? Did you reach out to
I mean, we have our own artist group on which we all like share info, share memes, and that's pretty much it. But that was precisely how our friendship or equation was before the show, and in the sense like during the show also. It wasn't like he was my go-to person or I was his go-to person. So that has been maintained.
तो सोजो पे शेफ परवेज खान ने हमारे लिए ये कमाल का मील क्यूरेट किया है. We have the daikon cake, we have sushi. Sushi, I heard you are very fond of
Yeah,
Nimrit.
I am.
So how you loving your experience at Sozo?
I'm loving it, and I just want to thank Chef Parvez for making sure that we have such a delightful meal.
Thank you, Parvez bhai. Thank you very much.